Check for the mint syrup. Hey, welcome to Bar Essentials, straight from Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. In this series, we're going over the essential ingredients for every great bar, every great bartender, and every happiness bar. Today, we'll be making a mint syrup. If you're looking for demerara syrup, simple syrup, ginger syrup, honey syrup, orgeat, saline solution, or even a technique for citrus juicing, check out the links below. But if you're in the right place, let's jump in. Alright, so the tools we're gonna need today for our mint syrup are a pot. We need a fine mesh sieve. We need a kitchen scale, something we can weigh grams with. We're also gonna need a bar spoon, or something you can stir with. For our ingredients, we're gonna need 25 grams of fresh mint leaves. We're gonna need 250 grams of white sugar, and we're gonna need 250 grams of water. Grab your kitchen scale. You wanna place a container on top, something you can weigh with. Make sure you zero out that scale as always after the container goes on there. 250 grams of sugar. Add our sugar, 250 grams of water, 250 grams of water. Now, we gotta weigh out our mint. You don't want these big heavy stems because it's gonna add weight. You really just want the leaves. That's where all the oil is. It smells so good. It's okay if you get some stems in there. You just really want to avoid these big, thick stems. 25, all right. So you're gonna wanna add that mint right into the pot with the water and the sugar. Get that heat on. We wanna bring this up to a boil. And what we really want, we want that sugar to dissolve. We want the mint leaves to steep into the sugar and the water. All right, that's up to a boil. We go ahead and turn the heat off on that. That's when you're gonna wanna let completely cool with the mint leaves still in the syrup before you strain it out so it really gets all the flavor it can possibly get into that syrup. Grab something like some blue tape. We're gonna wanna label and date that. Once that syrup is completely cooled, you're gonna wanna grab your fine mesh sieve and you're gonna pour through that sieve, shake that out, give it a little press with the spoon to press all that. And there you have it, your mint syrup, essential for every bar and every happiness bar. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. getting you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.